The right approach in these questions is to minimize the number of variables and try to express everybody in form of one variable. So first statement is L is 3 times older than Yeli. So E is equal to 3Y. The next statement doesn't talk about E or Y, so I will keep this on hold. I'll move to the next one. I have two variables here. I would want to have something that talks about at least one of these two. Y is older than Z. So Y is greater than Z is another point. And now I can use this statement which says Z is equal to half of W. So see what I've got. I know Z is of course equal to Z. I know W is equal to 2Z. I know Y is greater than Z. And see, E is equal to 3Y and Y is greater than Z. And therefore we can write that E is greater than 3Z. Right? See, E is equal to 3Y and Y is greater than Z. Therefore, E is greater than 3Z. This can be established. And therefore, we know for sure that Z is the youngest and E is the oldest. Because E is greater than 3Z, E is equal to 3 times Y. So, of course, E is greater than Y also. And E is, of course, greater than W also because W is equal to 2Z and E is greater than 3Z. So, we have 1 here, 4 here, but nothing can be said about W and Y. W is equal to 2Z, Y is greater than Z, Y can be greater than 2Z also, and Y can be between Z and 2Z also. So now with this groundwork, let's look at the answer choices. Y is older than W. Y is older than W. As I just explained, nothing can be said about the relationship between these two. We cannot say whether it is correct or incorrect. This is the other way around. Same reason cannot be deemed to be correct or incorrect. Option C, E is greater than W. Yes, as I said, E is the oldest. Therefore, this is definitely correct. E is oldest of all. E is older than W also. Then among the four, Y is older than only Z. So yes, Y is older than Z, but again, Y may be older than W also. Same catch that between W and Y we cannot say much. So this cannot be deemed to be correct or incorrect. Vahida is the oldest among the four. No, Vahida is not the oldest. L is the oldest. So this statement is definitely incorrect. The right pair of answers is option C and option E.